brought to you in part by Overland Outfitters.
What's going on, guys? Today we are back, and today we are finally out wheeling. Now obviously my truck is still under the knife. I'm still fixing it from when it lit on fire. So yeah, I'm out. I'm passenger in the 85. Sam, my wife, the camera lady, is passenger in Corey's truck, and yeah, let's do this.
So if you're a regular on the channel, you guys might notice something a little bit different on Corey's blue Toyota pickup, and that being dual transfer cases. Our goal today was to find some rocks to crawl over so Corey can try out his dual transfer cases. And this rock was perfect. It had several different options for lines so everyone could get a piece of it.
Sam, is he gonna hit shaft? There's a lot of traction on this rock. That almost went sideways. Turn down. Yeah, you're good.
Hey guys, just interrupting the video real quick to remind you to please smash that like button. And hey, if you don't mind subscribing, that would be great too. I upload weekly Toyota building, wheeling, off-roading content. And yeah, let's get back to wheeling. There you go.
Actually, you know what? Not as much as that.
Oh no! That was all drive shaft. Generally how it goes, yeah.
I have no choice but to finesse it.
Yep, keep her going. Oh, yeah.
There you go. Faster. There you go. There you go. Driver, driver, driver. Driver side.
Rock sliders.
Anyways, guys, that about wraps up another episode of Dirt Garage, and I hope you enjoyed it. Next week, we'll be returning back on the fire restoration of my 1989 Toyota pickup. And guess what? I recently got the new motor for it. So hopefully in the next wheeling video, my 89 will be out there ripping too. Anyways, guys, if you like this stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and hey, we'll see you next week. Peace.
I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others say